Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Steam when it's stuck on the loading screen. This is a common issue that can be frustrating, but fortunately there are a few quick solutions we can try. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, we need to force close Steam completely. In the bottom left corner of your screen, click on the search bar and type Task Manager. Once you type it in, you'll see the Task Manager app appear in the search results. Go ahead and click on it to open the application. This tool lets you view and control all the programs currently running on your computer, which is exactly what we need to properly close Steam. Once Task Manager opens, look through the list of running processes until you find Steam. Right-click on Steam, and from the menu that appears, select End Task. This will completely shut down Steam and all its background processes. After you do this, Steam will automatically try to launch again on its own. Give it a moment to restart and see if it loads properly this time. If Steam is still stuck on the loading screen after relaunching, we'll need to try a different approach. In the upper left corner of the Steam window, click on Steam in the menu bar, then select Exit from the drop-down menu. This ensures Steam is completely closed before we proceed with the next fix. Now, locate your Steam shortcut on your desktop or wherever you have it saved. Right-click on the Steam shortcut and select Open File Location. This will take you directly to the folder where Steam is installed on your computer. Once you're in that location, you'll need to navigate a bit deeper into the Steam files. Look for a folder called Program Files x86 and double-click on it to open it. Inside, you'll see another folder labeled Steam. Double-click on this folder to enter it. This is where Steam stores all its core application files and data. Now look for a folder named App Cache. This folder contains temporary cache files that Steam uses to load various elements of the application. Sometimes these cache files can become corrupted, which is what causes the loading screen to freeze. Right-click on the App Cache folder and select Delete from the menu. Deleting this folder will force Steam to rebuild its cache from scratch the next time it launches, which often resolves loading issues. After you've deleted the folder, try to launch Steam again and see if it opens properly. In many cases, this cache refresh will solve the problem completely. However, if Steam is still stuck on the loading screen even after deleting the cache, there's one more solution we can try. Go back to your Steam shortcut, right-click on it, and this time select Run as Administrator. Running Steam with administrator privileges gives it the necessary permissions to access all system files and make changes that might be blocked otherwise. This can resolve loading issues caused by permission restrictions. And that's it. You've now worked through the most effective solutions for fixing Steam when it's stuck on the loading screen. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.